Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to finish coloring our rockets and then assemble them. And what you're going to need is your paper from last week. Be sure that you have this colored, that you like it. You'll notice that some of your stuff got cut off. I'm very sorry, but maybe this person might want to draw the flag here. Remember, I had to cut them from last week so that they would be the same length as my rocket. And I cut the paper too tall to begin with. So, you're going to need your paper from last week, tape, a little piece of a grocery bag. It doesn't need to be a big piece, a little piece, and 3 of these for your rocket's fins. Right here. All right, so let me show you what you're going to do. The first thing when you're done coloring, so you're going to take your rocket and you're going to take one of these pieces of PVC pipe. Now this is 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and we are going to roll our rocket up. But I don't want you to roll it super tight because it has to fit over the top of the edge. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. You also want your picture to be the furthest away from you. So that's Raina's picture. So I'm going to get this and I'm going to roll it, but not super tight because I need there to be a little bit of space so that it will go over the top. And we're going to try this before we tape it. So I'm just rolling it. I'm going to take it off, and before I tape anything, I'm going to make sure that it will go over the top of this. That's really important. So, this works, but if I were to roll it, let me show you this. If I were to roll it too tight, and I just roll it exactly too tight on there, then when I take this out, it won't fit. So be sure you roll it loose enough, and be sure you check it before you tape it. Otherwise, you're going to have to untape it, and it'd be kind of a mess. So I can kind of like pinch this up and see that there's some space there. I don't want too much space, but we need a little bit just to be sure that it fits. So again, I'm going to check it. That works. So now I'm going to tape it. So what I like to do, you don't need huge pieces of tape. I'm going to pull off a small piece and tape this edge. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing down here. So pull off a small piece. You don't need a real long piece. We don't want to waste tape because everybody's got to do this and everybody has to use tape. So now this is taped together. And now I'm just going to start taping the middle. And I'm going to put about maybe 3 or 4 more small pieces. So I like to pull off a few pieces like this. Just have on hand. I'm going to kind of stick it down with my thumb. Tape. 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 Okay? Now for the top, that's where this little bag comes in. So you are going to get a few more pieces of tape for this. They might need to be a little bit longer. And this just kind of protects your design. You're going to stick this bag here in the top. And you're going to tape that in there. Okay? So I don't want it to poke all the way down in there. So I'm just kind of holding it up with my hand and then taping. Okay, and I might need about 4 pieces. Either 4 small pieces or 2 longer pieces. Okay? So I got the top. Doesn't have to be pretty. And then we're going to take the fins, and we need 3 of these. Some of these are cut already on these lines, but if yours is not, then you will need to cut to the top of that black line. You'll make 3 slits or 3 cuts in each one of these. And I'll show you why in a minute. So just cut to the black line. You don't want to cut them too tall. And that is going to get folded. So just cut those slits. All right, and then we're going to kind of fold one this way, and one this way, one this way, and one this way. And that's so that we can tape. We have some little places to tape, okay? So you're going to tape these 3 points down, okay? So here's the top of her rocket. It says NASA. And so I'm going to put tape on here where the point is down, all right? So I'll do that real quick. And then your rocket will be ready to be launched. Now, we are not going to launch these. I thought we were going to launch these on Friday, but Miss Perky and Miss Kinnemer are out of training, so we are not going to launch these until Monday. We're going to do it during your double PE time. So that's our goal. Okay, so you want to kind of put your finger into the rocket so that you don't smush it. And you want to put a piece of tape on all of these little feet that we folded out. So remember, don't pull off too much tape because you're already going to have to use lots of pieces. Everybody's going to be using, like, I don't know, 15 pieces of tape, so let's not waste it. Let's be sure we don't use too many. All right, so remember my foot goes down. All right, I'm going to tape it. Y'all will be sharing tape at your table. You might want to kind of measure it, like I'm setting that at the table to see those sort of match up. If you have your tape and it goes off like this, just poke it under the bottom. All right, and then I just have 1 more to tape and 1 more fin to add. Ooh, okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go, add my last one. You guys are also going to take these back to your classroom to store in your classroom until Monday. I don't have storage for all of these, so hopefully your teachers will just let you store these in your classroom. I should have put these a little bit further apart. Let's see. All right, I'm going to put this one on, and hopefully it'll look pretty good. If not, I may have to move one of these fins over a little bit. So, you might have to start, and then you might have to doctor up a little bit, but this tape should come off pretty easy. And if you're careful, it shouldn't rip your paper. Pull this off because I think this one needs to be moved over so that they're more equidistant apart. I want these to be, I was trying not to cover up Raina's name, but you may have to cover up some spots. So, move that over a little bit. And that way I have room for this one. All right, that's all we're doing today. You should get your rocket finished. And it's really hard to make them even, but just do your best. You can see I'm struggling a little bit here with mine, but y'all may do better than I did. Tape can be evil sometimes, I feel like. But do your best. Try not to waste the tape. Don't get too much in your hand at one time. And then if it's all even, this should stand up. All right, so that works. And Raina would be ready to launch her rocket. This part's bothering me up here, so I'm just going to tape it down. And then I can make sure one more time that this fits, and it does. Okay? All right, have fun.